Clinical trial data collection software is helping research teams maintain data integrity and reduce coordinator burnout. The same need keeps coming up across academic studies and global multi-site trials alike. Streamlined systems that remove friction from the data flow. Coordinators tell us they're spending too much time toggling between platforms, tracking down missing entries, and manually managing communications. Without the right tools, those tasks become daily stressors that compound across every stage of a study. A surprising number of studies still rely on outdated systems. Paper CRFs, email surveys, and standalone forms patched together create delayed data, overwhelmed staff, and unnecessary compliance risks. That kind of disconnected setup affects everything downstream. Clinical trial data collection software addresses this directly. When coordinators have fewer manual tasks, data quality improves. The right infrastructure turns scattered, reactive processes into a single, predictable system. REDCap continues to prove essential for academic and institutional research. It gives teams a structured, secure way to build and manage data collection instruments. Coordinators are going beyond the basics too, using conditional logic, scheduled reminders, and automated follow-ups to turn REDCap into a control center for managing timelines and triggering outreach. Survey status, missed responses, and upcoming tasks are all visible in one place, making day-to-day workflows more manageable. Software alone doesn't ensure good data. Participant communication plays a significant role in completion rates and overall data quality. When study teams use Mozio to send reminders and survey links via SMS, they see higher completion rates, fewer follow-up tasks, and better overall engagement. Participants are more likely to stay on track when they receive clear, well-timed messages that guide them through what's next. Scheduled SMS reminders, direct survey links, and two-way texting for check-ins or clarifications all contribute to a smoother experience on both sides. Staff don't have time to chase survey completions manually. With Mozio and REDCap working in sync, communication happens in the background while data flows in on schedule. Teams managing vaccine studies, longitudinal follow-ups, and mental health trials have all seen this pairing deliver results, particularly when participant compliance is a challenge. Successful teams map their visit schedules and data collection plans in advance, automate as much communication as possible, and test their tools before the first participant enters the study. The goal is never to add more tools, but to connect the right ones so they work together. For teams setting up a new trial, the approach is straightforward. Use REDCap for secure, structured data collection. Connect Mozio for participant reminders and check-ins. Align survey triggers with the protocol visit calendar, and set up automation to handle repeat tasks from day one. These practices save time, reduce error rates, and make it easier to manage multiple studies at once. The expectations around data quality and protocol adherence have never been higher. Clinical trial data collection software is seeing increased adoption not just because it's reliable, but because it addresses the core problems: participant drop-off, communication delays, and time-consuming manual work. When the right clinical trial data collection software is in place, data flows in consistently, staff spend less time following up, participants stay engaged, and studies move forward without constant delays. Over 150 million reminders, alerts, and surveys have been sent with Mozio. Get an instant quote today at mozio.com.